Gates open, they're up and racing, fierce and fiery. General Dugo moving up by the rail, Desperado. Nara moving up on the outside, Terrible Marvin, Yellow Citizen, Ace Conveyance. Hello, hello, moving up, Sulong Pinoy, and trailing the group is Sing Lorque as they race towards the last 600. General Dugo, Nara moving up by the rail. Then moving up on the outside, 30, Sulong Pinoy, fierce and fiery, running by the rail, Desperado, Terrible Marvin, as they race at the last 450. Nara now the leader, running on the outside, General Dugo, in between runners, fierce and fiery, with the last 200 meters more to run. Nara this time by about 3 lengths, running on the outside, fierce and fiery. Sulong Pinoy is by the rail with 75 meters. It's entry number 4, Nara. Sulong Pinoy, fierce and fiery, Yellow Citizen. Terrible Marvin, number 6, General Dugo. Ace Conveyance, Desperado, Sing Lorque, and hello, hello.